So I have been using this app for quite a while now. What you can do with this app, you can make different types of cool animations and post it in Instagram, Facebook, whatever social medias you use. So one idea came through my mind. How about using this animation as an intro? So here I am with the intro tutorial. So now I'm gonna show you how you can make this intro using this app step by step, and that's coming up. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Iperial Android YouTube channel, and if you want to learn some Android tips and tricks, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for future video updates. So to make this type of intro, make sure you have these two apps installed. The one is Ditty, which is must for making this intro, and the other one is Kinemaster, no watermark version. You can download this app from the link in the description below. So let's jump right in. So opening this app, you get this type of interface here. So as you can see, guys, you can make your own account here in this very app and post your own creations just in this very app. So let's put all that aside and come to the main point, how you can make this type of animation and use it as an intro in this very app. So you can see the plus button right over there. You want to click it and you'll get the option to type a text. So now you type your text that you want to be using in your intro. So I'm going to type welcome to in the name of my channel, Iperial Android. You can see in the top there is the name of the song that is gonna be used in this intro. So if you click it, you get the option to change the song, and it gives you a bunch of songs here, as you can see, guys. And the special thing is each song has different templates. You can check all of it one by one, that which works for the best for you. I'm gonna keep it as default, and you're gonna click the next button. It will be loading for a few seconds. My intro is ready, as you can see. So let me show you the other things here. You can see the GIF picker. You can select a GIF here to add it as a background, and you can add different GIFs here, whatever you like, and use it as a background of your video. And you can also go to your library and select your own pictures here. You can also record your video right from this app and with your phone's camera and add it in your intros. It depends all up in your creativity, however you want to design it. So once you're done with your intro making, you want to click the right arrow sign here, and you can see the save private here. You want to click it. You can see the share button here, you want to click it, and it will be saving to your gallery in your phone storage. But if you play the video in your gallery here, you can see the watermark here, which is really ugly to see it. So here comes another part of the video where I show you how you can deal with it. So you want to go to the Kinemaster app I mentioned before to download those. You can download it from the link in the description below with the watermark version. So now what you need to do is click on the plus icon and click empty project and click the media browser and import the intro we made in the Ditty app. After that, what you need to do is go to this crop icon you can see here. You need to zoom it perfectly, make sure the text is in the perfect middle, and you need to click the equal sign here and press the check mark. And as you can see, the watermark is removed and the intro is looking so good. After that, if you want to export it, hit the share button, click save to gallery, and render it in your favorite resolution. Cue of the day: which type of intro do you prefer using, 3D or 2D? Let me know in the comments down below. So there you have it, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share this video, and check out my other videos and hit the subscribe button in there. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.